Oh, wow. Oh, hey, Guten Tag. That's German for, how's it going, everybody? Fancy seeing you guys here at Oktoberfest. Man, this is awesome. This is something that I look forward to every year. I mean, you got beer, you got beautiful women, music. I mean, the polka music's kind of, I really don't care about that, but the beer and the women is what I come here for, and it's awesome. So, speaking of which, I'm kind of missing something here. The Crusader's getting a little thirsty. Huh. Would you look at the size of the beer that she's got for me? Huh. Now, life doesn't get much better than this. It really doesn't. But actually, it does. Because in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys about a new primary account that's a loan. You can use it with CPNs or Social Security number. Reports to all 3 credit bureaus. And it's free. This is a new player in town, so you guys don't want to miss this video. Stay tuned. And we're back. I'd like to start this video by saying if you're interested in getting my CPN creation workshop, go ahead and contact me via Skype. My Skype information is at the bottom of the screen. It's also in the description. That way we can set up a way for me to go ahead and send you the link and the education materials so you can learn how to make CPNs. The cost of that is $275. And what you'll get is a video step-by-step instructions on how to get a CPN and get credit monitoring with it. Okay, and also if you're interested in doing a one-on-one with me, same process, contact me through Skype and we'll set up a time and we'll do a video one-on-one and I'll answer any questions that you may have. Now, speaking of one-on-ones, this video topic I actually learned about through someone who got a one-on-one with me. His name was Brandon Huster. This guy's awesome. Shout out goes to you. He basically told me about this new player in town. They're called Kickoff. And basically what it is a free primary loan. And how they do it is basically you sign up, they'll loan you $12 and you basically every month will pay them back with their own money, which is crazy. And that will then report on your credit and you can build credit history with it. I think they must make their money through lead generation or collecting data because, I mean, it's nuts that this exists, but it does. I think that there's going to be a lot more players in town because there's a lot of demand for people trying to rebuild their credit, like Self-Lender, Credit Strong, now these guys. So, I mean, this may not be the only people that come out of the woodwork, but as for right now, this option works. It works with CPNs. So I definitely recommend giving them a try. I've personally signed up for it and it went right through. I mean, easy peasy. So, I mean, hey, it's definitely worth a shot. I mean, are they going to replace Self-Lender? I mean, I don't know, but it's like this option seems pretty darn good. And it also, it's just another way to get yet another account on your credit reporting. I mean, primaries are king, like I always say. So, I mean, I definitely would recommend checking them out. They also let you have a snapshot of what your current credit score is on your Equifax. I guess they're doing a deal with Equifax or something like that because they let you see your Equifax score, which normally I think it's Self-Lender, you get to see your TransUnion, but with them, you get to see your Equifax score. So definitely, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link at the bottom or in the description so you guys can check them out if you want to. I mean, it couldn't hurt. You know what I mean? Hey, the price is right. They're free. So, hey, might as well check them out. You heard it from the Crusader. Well, it's time for me to get going. I think I've had enough Oktoberfest fun. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Crusader out.